shell siya. Ngayon, bubuksan ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong nasa loob. And this one, open ko ulit. Kupitin. So, binigay ito ng aking kaibigan. Shell siya. Hindi ko alam. Paano ba pagbukas na ito? Ito, ito. Ay. Ito, ito, ito. Huwag kayong kukurap. I open this. Okay. It's coming. Don't close your eyes. Wait a minute. Oh my God. We have a pearl inside. Meron siyang perlas inside. Oh no. I'm lucky. Because we'll give my friend. We have a pearl inside. Look, friend. Look, this one. Look. Okay. One pearl. Blue. Violet. Pink, white pearl. Thank you sa nagbigay. I'm so happy. And white pearl again. And pink pearl. Galing, di ba? Shell siya, pero meron siyang pearl sa loob. So, bubuksan ko ulit po itong isa. Binigay kasi ng aking friend. I'm so happy today because kahit may sakit-sakit ang aking balakang, so, binigyan ako ng aking kaibigan. So, don't close your eyes again. I open this shell. And then, wait a minute. Ow! Beat it! Okay, close your eyes. Then, I open this shell. Wait a minute. Oh my God! We have a shell again. Inside. No, shell, not shell. Pearl. One pearl again. White pearl. And blue pearl. Blue pearl again. And violet pearl. Oh my God, this is my birthstone. And white pearl again. White pearl again. Oh. And then, wala na. Wala na siya. Shit! I got it. Oh, look at. Wait a minute. Itlog na mainit. Just a minute. Ang dali lang po, Huwag kayong kukurap. Ayan na po yung laman ng shell. My birthstone. Pearl. Nakita nyo kanina. Binuksan ko. Yan, white, blue, dark blue, light blue, violet, and then light pink, orange, orange, pink, and pink again, and violet and blue. Yay! Thank you sa nagbigay.